What do we mean by that? That we are going to move everything that we coded into Excel. If we look at our transcript here, anything that we coded, we're going to move it into Excel, and we're going to put these statements as quotes. Let me show you what I mean. Let's open an Excel sheet. Let's call this analysis sample. Now, we are going to go in there and capture the question, capture the code, and capture the quote. Let's have these sections in Excel. So, interview, question. Okay, let me extend this. Interview question, let me just put it as a large section. Then we are going to have code, and then we are going to have participant quote. Interview question, code, participant quote. Okay, I'm going to just copy this question. I copy this question. I put it in the interview question number 1. I can number that as number 1. Paste that here. Remember to include the color code. I am not leaving that out. Let me just undo, because I want to capture the color code also, which is very important to show me which question is that. This is question number 1. So that's the first question. Which code did we get from that? The code, remember, is in the comment section. Copy that. Put that in here. I'm just trying to manage the data. And remember, I'm using Word. This is not like NVivo or any other qualitative data analysis software. Here we have to manage the data manually, which can be tedious. And that's why it's advisable to always use software. This is just for people who have no access. But if you have access to the software, please make use of the software. I copied the participant quote, and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay. You can see. So, question, code, quote.